Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael. It is time for another unboxing today. I have the Tramontina 12-inch enameled skillet with lid, and I just took it out of the box itself, and I'm kind of go over some of the details of the item. Again, this is the 12-inch covered enameled skillet. And if you like cooking with cast iron and you don't want to have to worry about having to season it and everything, this is really nice because you don't have to do that. It's already got the enameling on the inside. I'll show you what that looks like. So this is the 12-inch, or it's 30.4 centimeters. This is the covered skillet with the enameling in the lid and into the skillet itself. It has a solid stainless steel knob on the top, which is really nice. It didn't say on the box, but I went and looked online where I got this, and it said it was oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, if you're interested in that part of it. And this says it eliminates the need to have to be seasoned, excellent heat retention, distribution, resist stains, makes easy cleanup, ergonomic lid, induction ready, which is nice if you've got induction stoves. A lot of the things now you have to really check to make sure that they're induction compatible. This says induction, gas, electric, ceramic, glass, oven safe, hand wash only. See what the other side has on it. It doesn't really say anything on the back of that. And just the bottom, talk about recycle the box. So we'll set this to the side and we'll look at this and let you see what this looks like. So we've got a nice handle here on the top. It is silver, and I've got the blue one. I had blue and gray when I got this one. And the lid on this has got the enameling on the inside of it as well. It's got these lines here on the top so that when you're cooking anything, the moisture is going to drip back down onto the top itself versus a smooth one. Some of the ones you might see, different brands might have the little dimples on the top, and that's what that's for, so that the moisture can drip back down on your food. This has the lines on the top of that. So we've got the enameled on the outside. Again, this is the blue one, and it's black on the inside, and I'll set this to the side. Now with our skillet here, I'll show you what that looks like. It's got a nice handle on it, and it does fit my hand really well. It's got a cutout here on the side here, and it's got a place to hang it up if you want to hang it up on the wall. It's got your gripper handle here on the other side, and the opening on that is really nice. If you got on a oven mitt, you want to make sure that there's going to be enough space on that that you can get your hand in there with the mitt on, that you can pick that up. You don't want something that's going to be really tight where you can't get your hand in on that. So the helper handle on the other side is really nice. It comes with these little plastic gripper here on the top so that the lid and the base if you want to store it this way, you can definitely leave those on there, or you can just leave them off. Just put them on here for shipping. But a lot of people leave those on there when they're storing them, and that's okay too. So I'm just going to take these off. And we've got that nice enameling on the inside there. It is not really a smooth, glassy finish like you would feel on some of the other ones. This has kind of a rough texture to it, but it is enameled, is what the box says on it. So we will see how that's going to hold up. And the bottom of it here, I'll show you what that looks like. We've got the nice blue enameling on the bottom. It says 12-inch Tramontina, and it says made in China on the bottom. So this looks like a really nice skillet. We're going to have to put this to the test and see how this is going to cook. If you're interested in this Tramontina 12-inch enameled skillet with the lid, I'll put the link in the description box below where I've got this. It was a really good buy on that. If you don't want to pay the high price of some of the other brands, you can definitely start out with this. Check out some of my future videos. I'll be using that in some of these, and we'll come back and we'll do a cooking in it to see how it's going to do. I just wanted to show you what was in the box today of this. And if you have one of these, let me know what you think about it, and that would help out some of the other viewers if they were interested in buying one. If you've had good experience or bad experience with it, leave those comments in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, check out one of these other two videos on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye-bye now.